The thing that's going to cost your business a lot of unnecessary money, time, and headache is misclassifying your workers. This is the number one thing that I see business owners doing when they're trying to cut corners and save money that ends up costing them big time on the back end. And so I received this DM from somebody who wanted to know if they're receiving a 1099 was correct. And in this case, I don't think it is. So this individual works at as a hostess at a restaurant, and they received a 1099 for their work at the end of the year instead of a W-2. And I can't personally think of any reason why a hostess at a restaurant would not be a W-2 employee based on how we determine what they are. So here's what's going to happen most likely in this circumstance. This employee can file what's called the Form SS-8 with the IRS, and then the IRS is going to make a determination, are they an employee or are they a contractor? And if they've been misclassified, the IRS is going to go back to that business, and it's not going to be great for them. I've actually dropped clients and refused to file tax returns for companies who did not take this issue seriously. It is that big. And so if you're a business owner and you're not wanting to overpay your taxes, sometimes the number one thing you need to do is be in alignment with tax law. So if you're a small business owner that doesn't want to overpay taxes and you want to make sure you're doing everything right so that you're not in a situation where the IRS is going to come in and hit you with a lot of unnecessary fines and penalties, make sure you're working with an accountant or a professional who is going to at least tell you when you're misstepping and give you steps to get you on the right track. I am accepting clients in my one-on-one container, so if that's something that you're in need of, head to the top of the page and let's connect.